This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
In this video I'm going to show you how to process the sale of a horse. So if you sell a horse via an auction site or privately, and you need to reimburse those funds back to the owners, I'm just going to show you how to do that quickly. The easiest way once it's been sold is to create a single invoice and charge it to whatever horse that you have sold. In this case we'll do that's ridiculous. You then need to add a credit note for the sale amount. So it'll then calculate what each owner is due out of that sale amount, put it to whatever the receivable account is you're going to credit it off against. Save, and then you can also add any expenses. We'll just put it to other. But this might be for listing fees. And maybe there is a commission in there. Just keep it simple. So what that does is then says, here are the expenses that are to be reimbursed, and here's the sale amount to give a net balance of 20,000. You save that, and then you can sync that to 0. While you wait for your extremely slow internet. Okay, so that's done. So in the dashboard here, you'll see that there's these credit notes now that have been brought through the system. It's important to also remember that when you can't do it as a negative invoice. Xero won't accept that, so it's going to be put through as a credit note. And then once you've done that, you need to go into the contacts. Click on there, apply a cash payment. So this is you bring in the refund, and doing the same again for the other. So this is saying that both of those guys have been paid. And in our Prism section, you'll see the accounts and credit. So we need to balance that out once they've been paid, which is what we're doing here. So then you go to dashboard, and then you reconcile payments here. So this is the $12,000 that went out of your account to pay the owner, and this is the $8,000 that went out to pay the other owner. So you can see that they're now matched. Click OK, click OK, and you can go back into the system, sync to Xero, Again, wait for your really slow internet. And then you should see these now carried out. So they're balanced out, so netted out to 0. You can see that that credit's been applied, and everything's back to normal. If you've got any questions on how to do transactions like this, where you're selling a horse and you're combining credits and expenses, please don't hesitate to get in contact at support@prism.horse.